Hello friends, today in this video we'll see how to fix the paper mismatch size in tray 2 problem in the printer. So this mainly happens when you have a two paper size set on the printer and the computer while doing print. So in this video we'll see and how to solve this as well. So for that, first take out the tray 2 and make sure you adjust the paper size properly, then put inside again. And secondly, you go to the settings in the printer and then go to the copy print, default print option. Then make sure you have selected A4 there, and you need to select A4 on the printer while doing print as well. We'll see that later. Now go to the print section in the printer. In the printer properties, make sure there is a A4 selected so that the print size in the computer section and in the printer it matches and it will fix the problem. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.